Cranberry juice benefits both male and female sexually, such as improved libido, increased blood flow, and reduced stress and anxiety. If you're familiar with the benefits of cranberry in urinary tract infections, you will not be surprised about its health benefits in your genitals. Cranberries offer some neat health perks below the belt. But did you realize those same compounds might also boost enjoyment between the sheets? It comes down to chemistry. Certain cranberry antioxidants increase blood flow. As that circulation improves down under, it revs up sensitivity. Some compounds may also relax muscles or balance pH, and those tweaks can mean more intense sensation. Keep watching, because the last benefit will totally blow your mind. So the benefits of drinking cranberry juice sexually for men includes 1. Prostate enlargement. Cranberry juice can actually be pretty good for men in a couple key ways. First off, it may help with prostate issues. Studies show it can lower PSA levels for guys with enlarged prostates or even prostate cancer. And that matters because having a huge prostate pressing on your bladder leads to all sorts of annoying bathroom troubles. So the cranberry juice helps shrink things down to size and make peeing less of a chore, and which I'm sure the ladies in your life would appreciate too. Now the other perk is it could give your sex life a boost. See, when your prostate gets inflamed and swollen, it can actually make getting hard and performing more difficult. So by reducing swelling and inflammation with the antioxidants in cranberry juice, it may get rid of those boner-blocking breaks. And that's reason enough for most dudes to start chugging the stuff. So if you're a man struggling with prostate problems or things not working quite like they used to in the bedroom, cranberry juice may just become your new best friend. 2. Erectile dysfunction. A couple studies out there show that cranberry juice can also directly help with sexual problems, especially for dudes who got urinary tract infections going on. There was this one study published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine that specifically used cranberry extracts to treat ED problems, and I guess the antioxidants and compounds in cranberries can protect sensitive tissues and blood vessels in that whole region from inflammatory damage. So basically, the study found that cranberry juice might actually cure erectile dysfunction and get your junk functional again if you've been having troubles in that department. 3. Gum disease. Men tend to have more issues with their oral health than women. They worry more about bad breath and keeping their kiss appealing. Cranberry juice can help in this area because it contains polyphenols that prevent gum disease. When your gums are healthy, your breath stays fresher, and this can make you more self-assured about intimacy. Your partner will find your kisses more pleasant too. There's also a mental boost that comes from knowing your oral health is solid. This translates into better performance and stamina in the bedroom. So cranberry juice promotes gum health, which then promotes confidence and desire. Now let's discover the nutritional benefits of cranberry sexually. Cranberries offer some surprising benefits in the bedroom. A cup of raw cranberries contains just 46 calories, so they can be part of a healthy diet. Studies show cranberry juice may boost blood flow, which can improve arousal. The antioxidants in cranberries may also reduce inflammation that contributes to erectile dysfunction. Additionally, some research links drinking cranberry juice to lower PSA levels, a marker for prostate issues, and healthier gums, which are important for sexual function. The juice may also prevent issues like premenstrual syndrome and depression in women taking oral contraceptives, and so drinking tasty, low-calorie cranberry juice could sprinkle some excitement into your sex life. The health perks definitely make it worth trying. Moreover, it contains vitamins and minerals such as 1. Vitamin B6, Vitamin B6 is a key nutrient that our bodies need. Since cranberries have vitamin B6, they can be a good food pick if you want to keep your metabolism and sex drive healthy. Vitamin B6 helps the body convert carbs into energy, and it also helps make hormones and brain chemicals. Studies show vitamin B6 may also help women with sexual health by helping make neurotransmitters and hormones related to desire and arousal. Overall, the vitamin B6 in cranberries makes them a smart choice for supporting a healthy metabolism and sex drive. 2. Vitamin C. Cranberries got a bunch of vitamin C inside them, which helps your body use nitric oxide better. Nitric oxide's this molecule we make that relaxes muscles and gets blood moving. Real important for getting aroused and such. And the vitamin C is an antioxidant too, so it fights plaque buildup in arteries. More nitric oxide plus less clogged up pipes equal better blood flow down south, you know? So the cranberries making nitric oxide work well and keeping your arteries clean. That adds up to helping with excitement in the bedroom, blood flowing how it should to get revved up proper. Pretty nifty how a little red berry can have an effect like that just through some biochemical snaz. Nature's clever that way. But yeah, next date night, make sure to give your sweetheart a nice cranberry cocktail to set the mood. Nothing wrong with a Lil insurance, am I right? 3. Potassium. Potassium plays a key role in our health, including sexual function. By promoting blood flow and muscle relaxation, it can enhance arousal and pleasure. Specifically, potassium helps dilate blood vessels, increasing genital blood flow, and this boosts sensitivity while relaxing tense pelvic muscles, allowing greater enjoyment. Reduced stress and blood pressure from sufficient potassium also enables sexual health. When we're chronically strained, it's tougher to get turned on or reach orgasm. Potassium's stress-busting effects let us unwind, tuning us into our bodies. Likewise, normal blood pressure from potassium ensures adequate engorgement and lubrication. Overall, potassium allows smooth muscle relaxation and healthy circulation necessary for sexual readiness and gratification. Its widespread benefits help set the stage for peak arousal, pleasure, and performance. Making sure we get enough potassium supports our sexual well-being. 4. Fibre. Cranberries have a lot of fibre, which is good for your gut health. When your digestive system is working properly, it helps reduce inflammation in the body. This can actually lead to a better sex life. Less inflammation means less discomfort during sexy times. Also, healthy digestion keeps embarrassing digestive issues from happening at inconvenient moments with your partner. Beyond digestive benefits, the fibre in cranberries is great for your overall health too, and it helps lower blood pressure and cholesterol. Keeping those levels in check reduces your risk of diabetes, heart disease, and other problems that can get in the way of a healthy sex drive. So by eating cranberries, you help avoid some of the illnesses that contribute to sexual dysfunction. Pretty neat that a tiny berry can have such an impact. So in summary, cranberries and their fibre are awesome. Let's have a look at cranberry juice benefits female sexually. Benefits of drinking cranberry juice sexually for women includes 1. Metabolic syndrome. So ladies, if you've been diagnosed with metabolic syndrome, cranberry juice could be a game changer for you. Studies show that sipping on some of the tart stuff daily helped a group of women lower their bad LDL cholesterol. Their body's free radical fighting abilities also got stronger in the process. Beyond just improving some key numbers tied to heart health, this juice may also boost circulation downstairs, if you know what I mean. So by drinking up, you could be doing your heart and your sex life some good. 2. Chronic kidney disease. Women sure do get those pesky UTIs a lot, don't they? All those trips to the bathroom, the burning, the antibiotics over and over. It's no wonder UTIs actually lead to that sneaky chronic kidney disease if you let them go on too long. I never knew about that, but it makes sense if you really mess up your plumbing down there, right? Here's a little advice my Grandma Rose taught me. Eat those cranberries. She swore those tart little buggers can actually help clean out your system, and something about the cranberries being antibacterial or whatever. I don't know the science, but Gammy Rose knew her stuff. She said it even keeps your kidneys happier. And if you got nice healthy kidneys, you got a better shot at getting pregnant when the time comes. Because if those organs aren't working right, having a baby can be a lot tougher. So all you gals out there, listen to my Rose. Pop some cranberries and save yourselves some trouble. Keep everything flowing smooth as cranberry juice. 3. Vaginal microbiome. Cranberry juice can actually be pretty great for a woman's vaginal health and even make sex better. The healthy bacteria down there do a lot. They help prevent infections and even change the pH balance in stuff coming out. So by helping those good microbe dudes thrive, cranberries end up lowering the chances of issues popping up. The juice can nurture the right environment to keep things working properly, and which definitely makes sense why people say it improves sexual experiences. When everything's balanced well, problems are less likely to mess things up or get in the way of fun times. So if you're a woman dealing with any sort of vaginal troubles or infections, some nice antioxidant-packed cranberry juice could maybe lend a hand in getting your microbiome back on track. 4. Contraceptive-induced depression. In some patients taking contraceptives, one of the side effects is depression. That's because certain contraceptives make your vitamin B6 levels take a nosedive. And you need that nutrient to make the feel-good brain chemical serotonin. So no wonder the pill makes some chicks blue. But it doesn't have to be all bad news, and we ladies can fight back by drinking cranberry juice, which packs a punch of vitamin B6. Plus it tastes way better than swallowing a supplement. I'm not saying to go chug a whole jug if you're feeling blah, but sipping some tart, red cranberry juice could lift your mood if you think your birth control is bringing you down. 5. Premenstrual syndrome. Women in their menopause experience dryness down there and hot flashes. Most gals get hit with bloating, headaches, cramps, tiredness when their period comes knocking and it blows. This monthly mix of misery is what docs call premenstrual syndrome. But cranberry juice could lend a hand in handling hormones gone haywire. The red berries packed with anti-inflammatory stuff called anthocyanins. These guys may chill out the bloating and uncramp the cramps. Plus, cranberry juice has lots of vitamin K, which helps blood clot faster. So your period might wrap up its visit quicker. Pretty nifty that a tart drink can sweeten sour cycles. So in conclusion, studies show cranberries can lower PSA levels for men. This helps prostate health, which in turn can help with ED and other bedroom issues. Similarly, the vitamin B6 in cranberry juice may help some women taking birth control who are dealing with depression linked to B6 deficiency. Improving mood will boost libido. Beyond that, cranberries might be good for heart health and vaginal bacteria balance. And on top of it all, cranberries pack great nutrition that's easy to add to your daily routine. For those aiming to perk things up behind closed doors, cranberry juice is a simple, research-backed option.